Hear a clunk every time you shift your Mercedes? This transmission flex disc is a common part that goes out. Let's get it replaced. We just need to break free all these bolts. 2 right here. Undo these guys. Undo those. And then get those 2 on each side. Right back there. You don't really need to worry about these bolts or these bolts. Alright, so we'll remove these exhaust ones first. Alright, so now that gives you access to get to the bolts and the nuts right there. So pretty simple. Just make sure something's secure in your jack if you got a bad one, because mine keeps lowering down, so I've got to go pump it up again. After further inspection, this thing was about to blow up within a few miles. The new one looks a lot fresher, as you can tell. Very easy to swap out, and not that much money either. All right, 55 foot-pounds. When you're doing this job, you can use the strength of the transmission to tighten and loosen the bolts. As you saw right there, I just shifted the gear. That way I can move this, rotate it around. Then I get back out, shift it again. You have to use the key and unlock the shift lock thing each time. At least I did, because I wasn't turning it on and off. And rotate that, and it'll give you enough pressure that where you can just hold it like that and tighten it up. Repeat process. Alright guys, and that's how you do the flex disc for the drive shaft on a W202. I'm sure this is the same on a lot of Mercedes, but that's how you do it. Torque it down. I rotated it twice just to make sure I was right. And then of course reinstall this in reverse order. If you're having trouble, raise your jack up a little bit so all the holes align. Don't force the bolts in. Everything should go in easy. So that's what we'll do right now. Good time to replace your transmission mount as well. I ordered one, but it's still in the mail, so check out the video in the top right corner for when I replace this. I'll show you guys the easy way to take this off. It's really the easiest mount to replace on this car, so we'll get into that. And if you guys would be so kind to leave me a comment or a like, that'll help me keep on making more videos like this to help you guys. Love y'all and peace out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.